This is a set of 4 pairs of clip-on earrings I was sent a review from Mutter. They work great on your earlobes, upper ear cartilage, nose, you name it. They are a cute 4mm wide look and so easy to wear, you can adjust how tight you put them, so they're really comfortable. Let me show you a closer look. This is an 8-pack. You've got 2 of each color, gold, silver, black, and blue. There's a set of each color, so you can wear 1 in each ear, or you could do 1. You could wear them all, mix and match, you name it. I like the different color options, and I like that they are each bagged separately. So here we are. They look like really nice quality. Very thick, unique look. They just open on this hinge. There's no sharp edges, so that shouldn't hurt. Let's try. You can kind of squeeze it as hard or as light as you need. That looks real. Does it not? Very cool. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's do the other one. They open really wide. They're very easy to adjust. Gotta have them just perfectly on there. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Let's see if we can get one on my nose. There we go. I mean, does that look real? I don't know. It's kind of thick for a nose ring, but that works. You could also do the septum. There we go. Got a little septum ring going on. Oh, what do we think? Let's try the cartilage up here. This is so fun. I have my ears pierced, but I almost never wear anything. I feel like the skin is healed over. Let's get every color on here, shall we? What do we think? And just like that, they are out and no more piercings. Haha.